Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we are going to see personal selling and its process. Say I want to sell an AquaGuard machine. So I have to train my salesman to sell that. Let us take this example and see the process. The first step to personal selling would be prospecting. What is prospecting? Prospecting is finding the leads. That is to find the actual people who are interested in buying the AquaGuard machine. So, as a company, I would find the database of people who don't have an AquaGuard machine in their home, and these people are my leads. They would be my prospects. That is, if I communicate with them the benefits of using AquaGuard, the purified water which we get from the AquaGuard, they will want to purchase the machine. So, the first point is prospecting, that is finding the leads whom I feel will buy my product or who will be interested in the product. Second point would be qualifying the prospect. Suppose I have found 100 prospects in a particular area, say Ghatkopar. Now, not all would really be interested in buying the AquaGuard machine. So, I would just do a random calling and ask them whether they are interested in buying an AquaGuard machine if I have a very good scheme for them. Some may show a good interest on the telephone, whereas some may just bang the phone. So, out of 100, certain 50, say 50 people would show an interest. So, this is the first preliminary stage wherein I will qualify who are the prospects who can be converted into actual customers. Next point is pre-approach. Out of these 50 people, I would tell them, now I would also use a method of sending my salesmen to their places and telling them that this is an AquaGuard machine. Would you really like to buy it? Or a better method would be, I will call these people for a demo of AquaGuard machine in my office, out of which only 10 may turn up. Next point is approach. Now say 10 people have attended my demo in my office, how the machine works, what are the qualities of the machine, how to change the carbon and the candle, how it is safe to use AquaGuard, what are the health benefits in the long run. Suppose say out of 10, all the 10 are convinced because it was a super demo. My next step would be to approach these people personally and tell them to ask me any doubts if they have. Some of them may want my salesman to visit their home and give the presentation to entire family. So here is a major step wherein presentation, my salesman would go and present in front of the whole family, explain the benefits, explain them the current schemes what I am having, and so on. Next point, very crucial, handling objections. Out of this 10, 4 may be easily convinced, but other 6 may have various doubts. Some may have a doubt, can I buy this on an installment basis? Some may feel it is not worth. Some may feel it is very expensive. Some may not like the color. Some may feel it is very sturdy, very big. I don't know. People have different objections while buying. So, I have to train my salesmen to handle all the problems and all the objections in a very polite and courteous manner. As far as possible, the salesman should be able to turn all negative objections into positive feedbacks. The last point of sales. Some, I said, 4 would easily buy. 6 would have objection. Out of those 6, 3, my salesman may be able to clear the objection. Whether you can make a sale or you cannot make a sale. Always closing the sale is an most important aspect of personal selling. Why? Because the way the sales is closed is the last impression which remains in the minds of consumer. Providing after sales service is also very important. Also, even if the customer is not buying the product right now, in future he may approach you and buy the product. So closing a sale in a tactful manner is the biggest skill required by the personal salesman. So our last step would be closing the sale and then follow up. Say somebody didn't buy an aquaguard machine today. They said कि next month में मेरे को याद दिलाना. So follow up. In the next month, it is the duty of the salesman to call the prospect and remind him whether he is really interested in buying or not. Again, he may follow all the processes, all the steps from the beginning. So I hope you understood the process of personal selling. If you like my videos, stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda. Thank you.